LogFlow's rules engine includes rewrite rules that let you rewrite data within your logs as they are being ingested. Rewrite rules are extremely useful in redacting or masking sensitive or personally identifiable information in log data. This video will demonstrate how you can replace sensitive information in logs using a simple rewrite rule. For this video, we're using a test Tomcat instance that includes email addresses in log data. We'll create a rule that matches an email address and replaces it with a string we specify. Let's jump right into the demo. First, select the application you'd like to create a rule for. In this case, we'll select the Tomcat application. A quick search through the logs reveals the email address user at logic.ai being included in the logs. To create the rewrite rule to rewrite these email addresses, click Options and then click Create Rule. Select Rewrite as the rule type. Now, name your rule, select a level, assign it to an existing rule group or create a new one, and add a description for the rule. Any new rule groups that you create will create a rule pack for quick access. In the Match field, enter the pattern you'd like to match. This field also accepts regular expressions for more accurate matching of your search pattern. Next, provide the string you'd like to replace matched patterns with. You can also use regular expressions for rewrite strings. Finally, click Create Rule. The rewrite rule gets instantly created, activated, and applied to the application you specified in the rule configuration. To verify if the rewrite rule is rewriting data in the log stream, go back to the logs page and select the application. You'll now see that email addresses and all new data coming in after the rule is created are being replaced with the rewrite string specified in the rule. To access and modify the rewrite rule, click on Rules. Scroll down until you see the rule group, select it, and then click the Rewrite tab. From here, you can choose to deactivate the rewrite rule, reconfigure it to match other patterns, or apply it against other applications or log streams.